Rips by Triumph strategy. So here is just my experience how I was able to earn like almost like $400 profit in this app. There are two ways how you can attack this app. First, obviously, as kind of casino. So you buy these packs. So for example, here is starter packs, there is basic pack. The bigger the pack, the more expensive it is to buy. So for example, you buy for $1. I mean, it just depends where you are. I think it's available in US. And then minimum value. So you buy for $1. You can get a card with minimum value 10 cents, and the maximum value is here super lucky $20. And then for here you buy for $5. Again, minimum value is 1, and then 100. Bear in mind, do not expect that if you just buy with $5, you would instantly get a card worth 100. Nope. Usually you would get a card which is worth like $2 or $3 or something like that if you buy for 5. And 90% of user, I guess, with this strategy, you will just lose money. So because this is just how casinos work, and that's how I guess this app monetizes. Because if people would all the time just put $5 and get a card which is worth 100, I mean, this app just wouldn't exist, because this app would just lose a lot of money, I guess. Just like a basic logic. So most of the users, if you just buy for 5, you will get a card which is worth like 2 or 3 or 1. But then you can ship it to yourself, and of course then you can sell it on eBay for much, or whatever, on some niche marketplace for much bigger price. That's also legit strategy. But again, like if you buy here, I guess especially if you buy something from bronze pack, silver pack, gold, and like some ruby or diamond pack, if you're a collectioner, you can just buy it here. Just, you get a card which is worth like $100, $150. Then you can just sell on some niche marketplace. It's shipped to you, so you don't sell it here. It's shipped to you, and then you sell it physically on some other marketplace at a much bigger price. So yeah, this way you can make money. But do not expect that basically if you buy something for $5, you instantly would get a card here for 100, and then you just sell it in the app, and then you make money. Nope, I guess this just doesn't work. But there is completely other strategy which is working in this app, which is referral. They have amazing referral program, which I used. I just basically didn't buy these cards because I bought 1, 2, and then when you buy, you always get like a lower value. If you buy for $5, you get card for 2, and then card for 3. So it's just completely like complete casino, and I think their algorithm again is built in a way that in the end you will just lose money. So I think the better strategy is again just use referrals. Create TikTok videos with your code, share your code and link. So here's my link. Use my link, and when you're just new to this app, sign up with my code. You will get first free pack from me. So that's the way to get a free pack. And then you share your own code on TikTok, on YouTube, on Instagram Reels. You create videos like how to redeem this code, how to use Triumph's code, what is Triumph's code, all these types of keywords. You just create short videos, long videos, wherever you like. People start to use your code because they also get a free pack from you. And when they click your link, they get free pack from you, and you also get in a free pack. So this way, I already got like 126 packs completely for free. For these packs, I didn't pay a cent. So everything is completely free here. My biggest pool here is like $10, like almost $10, as you can see. So, but $10, but this is a free $10. I didn't pay anything for it. I didn't use Apple Pay. And then, so for example, let me just show. So I got this pack from referral because someone watched my video. And then, as you can see, $1.80. Then you can instantly just sell it. Of course, you can ship it to yourself and sell it on eBay somewhere. But here, I don't want to bother with eBay. And it's in top right, you can see my balance is already like $90. I can tap cash out. As you can see, already just cashed out $247. Then $6 minimum withdrawal, you tap green button cash out, you cash out to PayPal, Venmo, bank, debit card. Yes, you need to have identity card, like you need to have your passport or driver license. All countries, not only US, so this feature works outside of US. And then PayPal account also can be non-US, so all countries, India, wherever you are, Asia, South Africa, South America, works perfectly. And then just cash out, and you just can cash out your referrals. It arrives perfectly fine in PayPal, and that's just what you can do. So this way you can earn, like, if depending on success of your videos and your referral strategy here, wherever, it can be Reddit, it can be Discord, maybe you can attack some Discord forums, to use your code, whatever. And then this way you just basically earning this free money which you can withdraw. So this is kind of an easy way. So that's kind of the idea. So yeah, this way you just kind of then withdraw. So this is kind of the idea for you, one of the strategies with this app, how you can earn like $5, $6, maybe like $1,000 in this app if you just put some effort and just create videos. Probably you will need like 5-10 videos, different keywords, different topics, different video ideas. And yeah, you can easily grab like $1,000 from this app without doing all the reselling and so on. But yeah, of course, if you want to earn some bigger amounts, like $2,000, $3,000, $5,000 from this app, probably you need to buy actually this kind of more expensive cards. You see the showroom. You see what people actually bought in here. So here is what they bought. I mean, you sometimes, I don't know where it is, you can see what people actually won. So here, recent wins, you can see Pokemon Gold Pack, you need to buy for $100. Recent wins, someone bought for 100, got 138, 500, 120, 680, but then you are just lucky. I mean, obviously in the recent wins, they just show recent wins. They don't show recent losses. So, but yeah, I guess if you want to earn a lot of money in this app, I mean, like $2,000, $3,000, $5,000, you need to go for this kind of expensive cards in here, like this kind of stuff. And then just, if you're lucky, get the card, which is like $3,000 and sell it somewhere else, like for $5,000. I guess that's just what you would try to do, and make like $2,000 just from one card. So you need to have some budget. You need to know like which exact marketplace to sell it, or you maybe check on eBay whether someone will buy it, this kind of cards, because I think this is a great market. Actually right now is super hyped with these Pokemon cards. And then yeah, if you have more experience, you can actually get some of those $200, $300, $500 cards and sell it for $1,000, for example. A lot of collectioners, maybe there are some beginner collectioners, they don't exactly know the exact value, so that can be the idea. But this is if you want to dedicate more time and you have more experience and you know what you're doing. If you're just a beginner with this app, I would just recommend you just to use a referral thing and just start to earn like $1,000 with these apps, kind of free money. So thank you for watching, and I wish you success. Subscribe to my channel for more tips.